little sneak peek of my morning routine. Sorry for the mess in the kitchen, but I am a messy person, surprisingly. It's something I'm working on for many years now. Yeah, so that was a sneak peek of my little morning routine. I usually get up and I'm super hungry in the morning, so I usually eat first before I do anything, and then I'll do a little bit of movement, some housework, and yeah. Then before lunch I did one video, a yoga video. I'm trying to kind of follow my cycle with my fitness, something I'm trying out, something new. So right now I'm in my follicular stage. So right now I can start to like pick up and be a little bit more active than in my menstrual cycle. Yeah, so today I'm going to film a bunch of yoga routines and maybe some Pilates as well, like a yoga Pilates and maybe a ballet Pilates workout. Yeah, and then that's pretty much it. I'm eating now. You saw that. It's not very pretty. It's just leftovers from yesterday night's dinner. It looked much better back then. But yeah, the purple cabbage just kind of colored everything and made everything, like the cauliflower and the tofu, gray. Almost making it look like it has like mold, but it doesn't. Yeah, but it's like almost nothing left, so I'm going to have something else after that, I guess. And yeah, so but before I start eating that, just going to talk about what's in everything and what I ate for breakfast. So my breakfast was just oatmeal with frozen mango, bananas, sunflower seeds, flax seeds, and raisins. And then spices, I just added some pepper, turmeric, cardamom, and ginger. I would usually add cinnamon to it, but I didn't have any, unfortunately. And yeah, for lunch, it's just glass noodles, tofu, purple cabbage, cauliflower, mushrooms, peanuts, sesame seeds, onions as well. And then I just put soy sauce, garlic, and was that it? Soy sauce, garlic, and I guess that was it. I just put soy sauce, garlic. That's usually my go-to sauce for everything because I really love garlic. But sometimes I'll just add whatever kind of spices, some ginger. Sometimes I add a little spiciness to it, so cayenne pepper. Yeah, and yeah, so that's what I'm gonna eat. Maybe have a smoothie after, we'll see. And I'm gonna continue to do some videos. But right now it's super sunny and I really don't, I mean, I love when it's sunny, but it's just not really practical for videos. It makes me look really washed out and makes me super bright. So I'm actually hoping that the sun goes away. Usually I'm like, oh, I wish there was sun. Oh, I'm so like craving for the sun. But yeah, today I'm like, no, I don't want it. But yeah, have to take the day as it comes. So I'm gonna go eat and catch up with you later. She's in a really good mood, so I thought we could capture some of that. Kill it. Yes. Hmm? I think she's done. Somebody's asking for food already, but it's only 3. What are you gonna do later? Boopy. Bringing out all the tactics, huh? He doesn't really cuddle me unless he wants food, right? So it's still hella sunny. So I'm just gonna start on some housework, some dishes, eating a pear, and then maybe start on dinner. I can't believe it's sunny. I was thinking about having like a smoothie, but I don't feel like it right now. So I decided on a pear and as well as a tea. And then maybe in 2 hours I'll have a smoothie. I just kind of follow how I feel usually. I'm not really ever counting calories because I think that would make me go crazy. I try to eat whole plant foods, though it's not always possible for me because I like also some comfort foods. So yeah, but I try to eat some more kind of whole foods, and yeah, they nourish my body the most. But yeah, sometimes you're like rushing, or sometimes you just don't have time, so you just whip out a frozen pizza, and there's nothing wrong with that in my opinion. So oh yeah, I bought these kind of eco sponges. I'm not actually happy with them, to be quite honest. So if you see these kind of like, they've got like cotton or like fabric on the back, and then I think it's this like, I don't know what it's called, but it's kind of like this jute, I think they call it, something like that. Something you would make like a cat scratching board out of. And it's not sharp, nor is it effective, but I wanted something that I can reuse again and again, because it just, yeah, I mean, you throw out sponges all the time. So yeah, I'm thinking about trying some different kind of sponges, ones you can throw out but are biodegradable. I'm gonna like research a little bit more on that. And I'm a little bit disappointed on these ones. I was really thinking, oh yeah, finally something like that I can just wash in the washing machine and then use again and again. And yeah, they don't really function well. They don't scrape anything off. I guess if there's nothing on the dishes, then it's like fine. But yeah, I'm a little sad. But I'm gonna use it anyways. So I finally have the smoothie. than I said I would drink. It's like 6 o'clock though. I still have a class to teach, so I didn't want to teach on a really full stomach, so we will eat dinner afterwards. It's just mango, blueberry, raspberry, very, very frozen. It's super cold in my hand actually. I didn't have any banana, so I had to do just like frozen fruit. Yeah, and I'm cooking right now. I'm actually gonna stretch while I'm cooking, so I'm just gonna make this quick. I'm cooking today some Indian inspired food. Just gonna make like a bowl with rice, baked pumpkin, which I just put rosemary and salt and olive oil over, and then I'm just going to make kind of like a curry, I guess. So I'm just going to put like soy milk into as like the sauce, and then inside it's just going to be cauliflower, lentils, and maybe mango. I think I'm gonna put mango in it as well to make it a little bit sweet. Yeah, and just some spices, some turmeric, pepper, garlic, and yeah, that's what we'll be having today for dinner. And I think I'm going to end this video with just me stretching and my dinner. And I think I will end it there. So yeah, I'm just trying to do kind of these new videos. I used to do these what I ate in a day video very, very long time ago, and I really enjoy watching what I eat in a day videos and these kind of what you do during the day kind of videos. So I thought I would give it a try. It's not perfect yet, I'm sure. I have a lot to learn, but you have to start somewhere. So I'm starting here with this video, and yeah, hopefully I'll do a lot more of these what I eat in a day videos, and I hope you enjoy watching them. Yeah, and I'll see you all then in my next video. Bye guys.